Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Raypak brand water heater, pool heater, and it's giving you a GVC error, and you're trying to figure out what's going on and what do you need to do to fix it. So if you're getting this error, it's because there's no power detected at the PV or the MV when it's commanded for power. So how you're going to do to fix this is, first of all, you're going to turn the power off and disconnect the ignition wire and the gas valve wires from the board. And then you're going to turn it on and watch and see if there's a spark at the module. Now, if there's no spark, you're going to turn the power off and you just need to replace the board. If you do see a spark, then you can turn the power off and reconnect the wires, and it should be working now. If the unit doesn't fire and the code reappears, turn it off, disconnect the valve wires from the board, and remove the MV, PV, and ground wires, and then clean them all and reconnect them. And then if it still doesn't work, then you'll have to replace the gas valves. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what you need to do. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.